Hi, I'm Natalie, and this is my meal prep. It's very low-key. I don't count macros or calories. I just want to eat better so I feel good. This week is one of my favorite combinations, a garlicky Moroccan chicken bowl with rice, quick marinated cucumbers, and the most delicious garlic sauce. I'd love to say that these meal prep sessions feed me all week, but the truth is my kids see them in the fridge, so they end up feeding me for 2 days along with the afternoon snacks or late night teenage fridge scrounges. But I'm okay with that. It's better this than finishing off a bag of tortilla chips. Right now I'm getting the chicken ready to marinate. I use thighs because they're usually juicier and more flavorful than breast meat, and they're more forgiving on the grill and don't overcook as easily. This marinade has just a few spices, some fresh garlic, and a handful of fresh chives. You can marinate it overnight or just for 20 or 30 minutes at room temperature. Either way, you'll end up with delicious chicken. Jasmine rice is my favorite, so I almost always use that. You can cook it up plain or use one of my other recipes. Coconut rice and garlic ginger rice are both great in these bowls. I wish I could tell you how many batches of these quick marinated cucumbers I've made over the years. My kids have loved them since they were little. They literally ate them like potato chips. And they add a nice, fresh, vinegary touch to these rice bowls. Make sure to slice the cucumbers really thinly. I use English cucumbers so I don't have to peel or seed them. Mandolin slices are handy if you have one. You could even cut the cucumbers into small cubes and it'll work just as well. I like using a quart-sized mason jar for this because it's easy to coat all the cucumbers in the brine without needing to fill a big bowl. And these get better after a day or two in the fridge, so feel free to make these ahead of time. Okay, this garlic sauce is sort of like an aioli, but thinned out with some olive oil. Kind of a big ask, but you'll need to add that olive oil in very gradually and stir it well. It takes a few minutes to emulsify that oil, but it's worth it. I'm transferring these to little condiment cups that fit in my food prep containers. I am low-key obsessed with grilled chicken. I have over a dozen recipes for grilled chicken on my website. I love how versatile it is, and chicken is such a great blank slate. Okay, check this out. This is why I like using thighs. Okay, it's time to fill the containers with rice, chicken, cucumbers, and that garlic sauce. And remember the chives that we set aside earlier? Sprinkle it all over those containers. It'll make you feel chefy. Pop them in the fridge and you might get to eat a couple if you've got teenagers around, but it's worth it.